Have you seen Lisa Marvin's video about how to fix your color-to-go pillow paint and can't find it here in the US? I've got the answer. Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. Well, after scoring close to 75 of these 6x6 tiles for free, woohoo, it was time to get to work. I wanted to do a quick test with my bloom paints. It's all new to me again due to new recipes from the manufacturers themselves, which have affected the outcomes of our blooms. The struggle is real. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the changes that have occurred in the Sherwin Williams color-to-go that we use for our pillow paint in our blooms. Now, Lisa Marvin recently put out a very helpful video explaining how to fix this issue. The problem is, she's in Canada, and I could not find the new ingredient we needed here in the US. But then I found it. It's just under a different name here. It's called Glidden Flat Base 3 Untinted Interior Paint and Primer. Here is a picture of the can so you know exactly what number it is you should be getting. Now you add 1/2 cup of this to a mostly full. I had to take out a little cup full, probably like a 1/2 cup of the paint out of the jar, and put 1/2 cup of this base 3 into the pillow paint and mix well. And now I mix all my colors with this Behr 3300 Interior Semi-Gloss Deep Base, untinted. And most of these colors are pigments. A couple of them I added a little bit of paint to it to help increase the pigment, and maybe it was a little bit thin, so I wanted to thicken it up a bit. So I added a little paint that was very similar to the actual color, like this one, Sequins. I put some interference pearl red in it. And because I'm out of Josonia, I only dispersed my pigments with water. I'm going to throw some music on and let you watch the rest of the process and enjoy. And we will discuss at the end the differences between each tile and why we think it happened.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I want to know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed, do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. On ice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it. Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And now I wish you would.
Okay, so because I threw the blue in on this one and didn't have it in on the first one, it's not a perfect test subject or test piece. It's not a perfect test because things have changed, but you can definitely see the kind of wonky melted cells in the center, and I'm not sure if the ones on the edges here that you will see here in a moment, it kind of looks like, yeah, like this stuff looks like it's sinking and falling apart. I don't know if that's because of the blue or because there's just not enough of the flat base 3 mixed into the color to go. And it's just allowing the thinner, smaller lacing to just melt away. So if you are enjoying my video, how about smashing that like button? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you tried something different that worked better? Let me know about it. And if you're enjoying my videos and my content, please think about subscribing. It would definitely warm my heart. But here's the dry pieces. So this is the one that had the half cup in the full container. And it turned out amazing. Nice crisp lacing and cells. No melting, no distortion, no dendrites, nothing. Beautifulness, and look at how clean that center is. Nothing melted, nothing distorted. So definitely going to be using those paints for a much larger piece coming up here in the future. And although this one is still absolutely beautiful, and I did kind of mask some of the melting in the center by doing some swirly doos and curly doos. Yeah, it's still definitely a noticeable difference. And again, next time don't use the blue. Keep the tests equal so it could be a full accurate test. But yeah, definitely have to, because I don't like that melting, falling apart stuff. I'm just not a fan of it. But I mean, it's still a gorgeous piece. I see what's wrong. A lot of people might not. But thank you so much for watching another week of the Fluid Art Express, brought to you by Venom Fluid Art. Before me was Wombat of Venom Fluid Art, followed by me, Patty of Let's Pour with Patty, followed by Carrie of Fluky Fluid Art, and last but of course not least is Bubbles, also of Venom Fluid Art. It's a joy and a pleasure to spend every Sunday with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep creating. See you next time.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go.